What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
So why would you pass a car on the left at a high rate of speed?
I don't know.
You don't know? You like living?
Yeah.
So what if you scared the shit out of that car and she and rightfully in the right on the lane of traffic because you driving so fast and she come over and hit and throw you into another traffic and you get ran over?
Yeah, it looked like they were going over and then they got into the right lane.
So if they doing that, then that lets you know that they don't know what the hell they doing and you gonna drive outside of them.
To me, it looked like they were staying in the right lane to let me pass them, so I just went past them real quick. But yeah.
What if she wasn't doing that? What if she was so damn scared because you came up behind her at a high rate of speed?
I don't know. I would have had to avoid it.
Hey, so you putting your life in somebody else's hands because of what?
I don't know.
If you don't know how to ride this damn thing and don't want to ride right,
yeah, boy,
then you need to get something else.
Okay.
I'm not writing you a ticket for excessive speed and passing on the left, which would have been about 6 points.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, anytime move out, listen, you pass on the left. You pass her on the left.
What?
She was so, cause you came behind her so fast, she was so scared. Came around the roundabout. I saw you. I was about 5 cars coming up the way to come the same direction. You came out roundabout. You was in a lane. I ride motorcycle for the department, so I know you was in a lane. You was going too fast.
Okay.
And you came up on it too fast, and she probably was scared to get over because you came up on it too fast.
Okay.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Man, it ain't even worth it. You riding crazy, man.
Hey, birdies.
If you want to do that, go to a track.
All right.
Don't do it on the public street because you can't trust the next person.
What?
Have a good day.
You too.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.